Alan Keith Davidson, MMBE, was an Australian cricketer of the 1950s and 1960s. He was an all-rounder, a hard-hitting lower-order left-handed batsman, and an outstanding left-arm fast-medium opening bowler. Strongly built and standing 6 feet tall, Davidson was known for his hard-hitting power, which yielded many long-hit sixes. His left-arm bowling was a mainstay of the Australian pace attack of the 1950s and early 1960s, and from the late 1950s widely regarded as one of the finest pace bowlers in the world, with a classical bowling action which imparted late swing. Davidson was considered along with Wasim Akram as one of the 2 greatest left-arm fast bowlers in history and bowled with great control, conceding less than 2 runs per over. Only 2 other post-war bowlers have a superior bowling average. Davidson was known for his anticipation in close catching positions and his accurate and strong throwing arm from the outfield. His ability to take improbable close-range catches saw him earn the nickname the Claw. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.